Aussie Racing. May napadpad na bisita. This is Mr. Gabriel of Apocalypse.
Hi.
Actually, in-interview na natin siya before dahil sa e-bike, right? Well, do you call it e-bike? Electric
E-motorcycle.
An e-motorcycle. So, para medyo kakaiba, syempre. So, Gabriel, bro, walk through mo naman kami sa motor mo.
Sure.
Alright, so what do we have here?
So, bumili ako ng Rusi, right? KRZ 200. Mura lang eh. You know? Wala pa 10,000, may motor ka na may papel eh.
So the base bike is Rusi, yeah. KRZ
200.
Okay.
Kasi hindi ko na magagamit yung makina. I just needed a steel delta box frame. Ito, yung open belly para convenient yung lalagayan ng battery. Yung battery dito, kung familiar kayo sa brand na Samsung 25R, yung green sa vape, 700 piraso yan.
Oh wow, 700
pieces.
Okay, that's 700 pieces of battery na
tapos, yung range nun, mga like 100-120 kilometers. Tapos charge ka ulit ng 2 hours and a half.
So kung ang range is 100-120, so it's a typical motorcycle. Kaya ng 100 kilometers. So that's nice. So what else? So nakikita ko to, we have a disc brake, pero yung nasa kabila, napakalaki ng plato. Ilang ngipin yan?
Sir Telly, 90 teeth sa likod, tapos 12 sa harap.
Then 12 yung front sprocket. So this is the motor, no?
Opo.
So
ano siya, ilan ba? It's 32.7 kilowatts. 32.7 kilowatts. Yeah, so pag kinonvert mo yung ibang horsepower, divide natin by 750 yun.
Yan, nagko-compute ng horsepower.
So, namin natin 32, 750 yan. Divided by 750 ulit. So the bike's roughly 43 horsepower.
Wow, 43 horsepower.
Yeah.
Can you imagine that? 43 horsepower in comparison yung mga normal na underbone or sorry, medyo maingay. May pulis na maingay eh. Normal na underbone is around 10 to 15 horsepower at 6.5 RPM. Ito, hindi natin masabi RPM, ano kasi wala tong ano eh. So, this is times 2 or times 3 ang power.
Ayaw natin top speed kasi, you know, Manila eh, traffic eh.
Yeah, but if ever, pag kinano ka, paano top speed?
115, 120?
120?
Yeah. Tapos yung 0 to 100 is like 4 seconds.
Anong weight ng bike?
Like a 250cc maybe? 300 pounds, more or less.
So that's around 130
kilos.
130 kilos.
Yeah.
Kumpara sa unang mga mabigat.
Yung una, like, ano yun eh, like bus yun eh.
Yeah, alright. Tapos patingin naman ng mga lighting system mo, bro.
Oh, sure.
Ayan, may mga may nakikiusyoso. Alright, so we have a projector,
adjustable
auxiliary lights, yeah. Adjustable siya, so nakikita nyo, ito yung ilaw niya.
Alright, para anti-silaw tayo, single lens, adjustable.
So pwedeng high beam, pwedeng nakatutok, then pwede ring maliwanag yung buong paligid. Nice.
Our low beam, para malinis, then we have our high beam. Minimalistic setup.
Yeah, so that's the headlight naman, no? Ganda. And if you notice, walang ingay.
Yeah.
Hindi ba weird? Walang ingay?
Nice, calming. When you ride in nature, what you hear is nature.
Okay. So this is talaga zero noise. Alright.
Chain tires. Tapos,
hindi, wag natin i-rev. Really? Oh yeah, alright. So basically what you're hearing is the whir or the purr of the electric engine and yung mechanical chain. Yeah, so that's basically the noise na maririnig mo. So meron mga design dito, internal na
bubog na si Telly.
Light. Tapos oh nice, I like the seat. Then you have 8, I'm guessing 1821 1821 combination, naka dual tires. So enduro, and si Mr. Apocalypse isasama natin sa Dirty Business 4. Yes!
Sige.
Alright! Thank you bro, thank you.
Thank you.